T22 Max Pro Plus is an ultra-high-end leveling-free FDM 3D printer. You can easily print different types of models, which can be used in toys, medical care, education, science and technology, life and other fields. T22 Max Pro Plus uses Meanwell power supply, 4.3-inch ultra-high-definition color touchscreen. It has a magnetic carbon crystal silicon glass platform and soft magnetic stickers that can be used interchangeably, and the print size reaches 300 x 300 x 300 mm. It has the characteristics of photoelectric induction, leveling-free, material interruption detection, continuous printing after power failure, temperature monitoring, rapid heating, ultra-quiet, high-precision printing and so on. If you are short of a high-end DIY 3D printer, then T22 Max Pro Plus will be your best choice.